Hey everyone, it's David from Train Day, and today we're going to use Train Day AI to create some medical coding, medical billing training courses, right? And we're going to do that using also a PDF from the CDC, right? So here's the PDF from the CDC. It's from 2003, 2024, official guidelines for coding and reporting, right? So we're going to use this to create our course. So let's log into Train Day right here. And right now we're just going to say, let's say create an intro to our medical billing course. Let's put some coding, right? Medical coding and billing course. And we're doing this because I actually got an inquiry for this the other day, right? So we're going to use PDF as our data source, and we're going to click on that, and we're going to use this PDF from the CDC, right? So now we got our prompt, our data, and for the background, I'm going to choose this one. And we're just going to get a couple of samples right now and a couple of presenters, titles, and we'll see which one works best for us, right? Okay, so this looks pretty decent. Let's go with this one really quick, right? Let's click on that. And now it's creating our course, creating all the content, video slides, all of the video scripts, the titles for all of our slides, the title even for our whole course, right? And it's going to add a couple different presenters in there, and it'll get us really close. I would say 85–90% of our desired outcome. After that, we'll probably just do a little bit of personalization, maybe change some fonts, placements of fonts and placements of the presenters, maybe switch some presenters out. And then after that, I'm going to show you how we create quizzes, little knowledge checks in between the course, and how to actually translate the entire course to a whole nother language, right? So you can personalize it, localize it for maybe a whole nother group of people, right? And so that's going to be really exciting. So this is actually going to generate the first slide completely. So when we preview our course, we can actually see what it actually looks like, feels like, everything like that. So here we go. Here's our course. Let's click on it. This looks pretty good. Let's go to preview.
Welcome. In this course, we'll introduce you to the key principles of medical coding and billing, focusing on the ICD-10-CM official guidelines for FY 2020.
That looks pretty good. So you see we have all these other slides, and we have our multiple choice quiz, right? So we can also track their retention with the quiz, and they get a certificate after a certain score, right? So this actually looks pretty good. What I want to do with this, I want to actually create a Spanish version, right? And you could do 30 different languages. We'll just do Spanish for this one, right? So I'm going to duplicate this, and I'm going to come over to this copy, and I'm actually going to change the name, and we'll just indicate that this is the Spanish version, right? And I'm going to go over here, I'm going to click translate. I'm going to say Spanish. And one thing that we also have to do, see now all the slides are in Spanish, all the video scripts are actually in Spanish too. I'm also going to translate this quiz into Spanish. So this will actually translate all the questions and answers, because it's multiple choice, into Spanish. So see, that's what we got. We got it all in Spanish now. And you can check, right? So now that's done. We got our Spanish version. What I want to do is actually generate this slide again, because it's in Spanish now, right? Let's see what it sounds like.
Bienvenidos. En este curso, le presentaremos los principios clave de la codificación y
That looks great. And you can just generate all the other slides as you go down. When they're all done, your course is ready. Your learners could take it when they sign up. They can complete the quiz and then get their certificate, right? So if you really need to after that, you can render the slides and then export them as a PowerPoint, a scoring package, or even a slideshow, right? So thank you for watching. Can't wait to see what you build with Train Day, and I'll talk to you next time.